Hello all. In today's lecture, we are going to learn second type of incentive plan, that is Rowan plan. This method is also known as Rowan Premium Plan. Now, this system was popular in the Great Britain, and James Rowan of Scotland started this system. Now, if we talk about Rowan plan, this Rowan plan incentive plan is also based on time rate system. As in the previous lecture, we have discussed the Halsey Premium Plan and Halsey Weir Plan. Rowan Plan is similar that of Halsey Premium Plan and Halsey Weir Plan. In this also the standard time will be fixed. That means if the labor is finishing the work less than the standard time, then he is going to get the bonus. And if the labor is going to finish the work within the standard time or he is taking more than the standard time, then in that case he is not going to get the bonus. That means if the worker wants a bonus, he should finish the work in less than the standard time. That means whatever the time is being allocated to finish the work, he should take less than that time period. So he is going to get the bonus. In Halsey plan, that means Halsey Premium Plan, in Halsey Weir Plan, the percentage of bonus is fixed. That means as we have discussed that Halsey Premium Plan, that whatever time is being saved, 50% of that time the bonus will be given. But in Halsey Weir Plan, 30% of the time that is saved, of that time the bonus will be given. But in case of Rowan plan, the percentage is not fixed. It is based on the proportion. That means whatever time is taken as per the standard time, or the ratio between the time taken and the standard time will be first of all calculated. Now once you have calculated the ratio between the standard time and the time taken, so whatever ratio will come, or you can say whatever percentage will be coming, on basis of that percentage the bonus will be given. For example, let's understand over here. Let's say standard time that is given is 10 hours. So that means you have to finish the work within 10 hours. But actual time taken is, let's say, 8 hours. So that means over here we can say that time saved is 2 hours. So the bonus will be given. So the bonus will be, first of all we have to see how much, first of all we have to calculate the ratio between the actual time taken and the standard time. That means actual time taken is 8 hours and the standard time that is given is 10 hours. It means that the person is finishing the work within the 80% of the time of the standard time. So that means the labor is going to get the bonus at the rate of 80%, which means that in Halsey Premium Plan 50% rate of bonus is fixed, in Halsey Weir Plan 30% rate of bonus is fixed, but in case of Rowan Plan the percentage of bonus is not fixed. It depends on how much time you are taking. Suppose instead of 8 hours over here the time taken is 7 hours. So in this case time saved is 3 hours. So the bonus will be, instead of 80%, the bonus will be 7 by 10, that means 70%. So in this case 70% of time saved. So that will be 2.1 hour. So he is going to get bonus for 2.1 hour. And if the actual time taken is 8 hours, so in that case he is entitled to get the bonus of 80%. So now it depends that how much time taken is there and how much time saved is there. So according to that he is going to get the bonus. Now let's see the Rowan plan, how we are going to calculate the incentive as per Rowan plan. Now the standard time fixed by the completion of a job is 20 hours. The agreed rate of wages is 20 per hour. Actual job was completed in 16 hours. You have to calculate the total earnings and the effective rate of earning. Now the actual time taken is 16 hours. Rate per hour is 20 rupees 20 per hour. Your standard time is fixed to be 20 hours and time saved is 4 hours. Now first of all let's see the normal wages. because the person is going to get the normal wages plus bonus because he is saving the time. So normal wages will be, he has spent 16 hours multiplied by rupees 20. That means he is going to get 320 as a normal wages. Now let's see the bonus. Now first of all calculate the percentage. Now if we are going to see the percentage, it's 16 divided by 20. If you are going to calculate 16 divided by 20, let's calculate over here. It's 16 divided by 20. It means 80%. So you are going to get 80%. So let's start. So 80% of time saved. So you are going to get the wages of 80% of 4 hours. That means 3.2 hours you are going to get the wages. Multiply by 20. So your bonus comes out to be 64. So your total wages will be 320 plus 64. So total wages you are going to get 384. Now let's calculate the effective rate of earning. Effective rate of earning will be total earning, which is 384, divided by your actual time taken, that is 16. So in this case the effective rate of earning is rupees 24. So it will be rupees 24 per hour. Now if we are going to see the Halsey Premium Plan, Halsey VR Plan and Rowan Plan, in all the cases the normal time wages are same, but in the case of Halsey Premium Plan, bonus was different. In case of Halsey VR Plan, bonus was different, and in case of Rowan Plan the bonus was different. Now company has to see that which incentive plans they should go with. Either they should go with Halsey Premium Plan, Halsey VR Plan or Rowan Plan. And each and every industry has the different incentive plans depending on their condition. And in all the three cases, effective rate of earnings will be different. Hope you have understood the concept of Rowan Plan. For further reference, you can refer my book Introduction to Cost Accounting. Thank you.